to complete multimedia information collection, comprehensive information exchange processing, intelligent decision-making, and three-dimensional command control. Smart contracts designed with blockchain technology. Deploy system logs and disaster preparedness logic on the whole network nodes. In the extreme emergency, only if one node is still working in the network, the system logic of the entire network can be safely restored. T1 platform adopts 1+N+N point-to-point lossless large screen display mode. One set of large screen supercapacity splicing, support more than 32K splicing display, point-to-point display of a picture of the system to control the overall situation. Assist dispatch command data analysis, research and judgment. Various combination modes to adapt to different scenarios. Various pre-planned modes, one-click call. Alarm trigger, automatic call pre-plan. Zero latency KVM function brings non-distinctive operations. Fully visualized seat management to promote business integration. Refined permission assignment and AI identification login. Fully visualized OSD function. Visual push. Interdepartmental linkage. Real-time dynamic preview of video source. Fuzzy search. Free grouping. Controls the video play progress. Supports signal segmentation and cropping. Scaling up. PowerPoint page turning. Synchronous echo of large screen display status. Drag and drop to switch. What you see is what you get. Refined scene management and editing of pre-plans. Intelligent environment control. Flexible combination of multiple control modes. Visual Unified Control, compatible with Harmony OS and Kirin, iOS, Android, Windows, and other operating systems. Full 3D digital model, immersive monitoring and control. Integrate all kinds of resources and make multi-dimensional analysis and judgment. Assist the command control management to transform from the traditional passive defense to intelligent active defense. Real-time monitoring of various disasters, pre-disaster warning, post-disaster alarm. Quickly, intelligently analyze and plan rescue routes to provide the best rescue plan. Virtual and real interaction. Intelligent intervention. View the operating status of each system and equipment status in real time. Accurate mapping of 3D model. Visual management of asset positioning. Three-dimensional all-element digital. Using data from 3D models, sensors, operational history, etc. Comprehensive construction of equipment, computer rooms, buildings, and parts. Even the digital visualization of the entire city. Reshape the application model of the command platform, leading the ultimate experience of the command center.